Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to submit a project in a WordPress Freelancer marketplace using an out-of-the-box solution, the Freelancer Marketplace plugin. Basically here, the customer will have to submit a project on the platform, which will be publicly visible for interested freelancers. Let's jump straight into it. Here in the customer dashboard, you can simply click on the Submit Project tab, which will take us to the Submit New Project form. This form is very simple and quick. Just add your project title and description, attach needed files and documents, select the project amount, either a range or fixed amount, then specify how many days needed to complete the project and the skills necessary for the project. Click on Submit, and we're done. After submitting the project, it will be publicly visible on the project list, readily to be checked and bid upon by interested freelancers. If you want to learn more, just watch our other videos, or visit our website at www.pluginsandsnippets.com. Thank you.